Good morning, students. This is the third poem of the book Flamingo, Keeping Quiet, and this poem is written by Pablo Neruda. In this poem, the poet tells the importance of introspection. Introspection means to think in our inner self, to observe our mental or you can say emotional process. So the poet, he is talking about the importance or the necessity of this quiet introspection. It will create a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. We are starting the poem. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. The poet here is saying to count up to 12. Now it is not clear what he meant by this number 12. If it means the 12 months of a year or if it means the 12 numbers on the wall clock. So it is not clear. The poet is giving us only we can guess or we can imagine ourselves what this 12 number means. So we will count up to 12 and then we all will keep still. We all will keep silent. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Now the poet is saying here, on this face of the earth, on this earth, for once, for one moment, let's be silent. We will not speak in any of the language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. We will be quiet for 1 second and we will not move our arms so much. We will not do any activity. Here also the word arms refers to the two meanings. One meaning is our limbs, our body parts, our arms. And the second one, the arms refer to the weapons also. So it can mean here that we should not do any activity or we should not do any destruction or we should not use any weapons. So again, the poet is saying, on the face of this earth for once, we should not speak in any language. We should keep quiet for 1 second and should not do any activity, should not move our arms. It would be an exotic movement without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. It would be an exotic moment. If we all keep silent, it would be an extraordinary moment. Exotic means unnatural, extraordinary moment. It would become an exotic moment without rush. There will be no rush, without engines. There will be no noise of any engine. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. That environment will become a strange environment. We all will be there in a sudden strangeness but having a bonding of togetherness. We all human beings will all be in a sudden togetherness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Now the poet is saying that these fishermen, those who earn for their living and they catch whales in the sea, they should also stop harming the whales. They should only catch those whales that is enough or sufficient for their survival only. They should also stop harming or catching these whales. And the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. And the people who gather salt for their earning, they should also stop and they should also look at their hurt hands. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Those who prepare green wars, Wars with gas, wars with fire. Green wars means the wars that lead to destruction. Now the poet is saying the people, the enemies who are engaged in these wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, wars with bombs, and the victory with no survivors, and one of the party is winning with no survivors in the other team. They should stop fighting with each other. They should put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers. Brothers means the enemy brothers. In the shade, under the shade of a tree, doing nothing. It means those who are engaged in the destructive wars, they should also stop fighting with each other. Instead, they should put on clean clothes without any blood on them, and they should walk with their brothers under the shade of the tree doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Now the poet is saying that what he wants that we should stop for 1 second, but that means it should not be confused with total inactivity. It means we should not be inactive. Life is what it is about. Life means the activities, not stillness. Life refers to the activity, liveliness. The poet wants to say that he wants no truck with death. I want no truck with death. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, the poet is saying to us that we should be single-minded. We should focus, we should pursue our goal to keep our lives moving. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves. Perhaps a huge silence, maybe when we are silent, it might interrupt that sadness of hating each other, of never understanding ourselves. We are not understanding ourselves or we are hating each other. Maybe this introspection will just bring us together and of threatening ourselves with death. And we are just afraid of the death. But when we introspect, then all this fear will die away. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead. Now, the poet at last is saying, this earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. The earth in winter seems dead. There is no life on earth. It seems that there is no life on earth in winter, but when the spring comes, the earth again becomes lively. So this earth teaches us to become alive when everything is going to seem dead. Now, I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Now the poet again is saying that he will count up to 12 and he is saying us to keep quiet, to do the introspection, and the poet is going. So this is all about this poem. The poet is focusing on this importance of introspection that will bring the human beings together in a sudden bonding, in a good bonding that will affect the human beings in a positive way. That will bring the human beings together. They will have a human feelings, emotional feelings for each other.